A good night's sleep is a must for your body to feel well rested. But combine it with some overnight beauty treatments and you'll wake up to glowing skin. In today's episode of Skincare Secrets, I'm going to share some beauty hacks with you that work overnight to repair the damage caused to your skin during the day. If your busy schedule isn't giving you time to go for a pedicure and you're tired of looking at your cracked heels, then just apply some thick moisturizing lotion or some petroleum jelly on your feet before you go to bed, and you'll wake up to very soft feet. You can totally skip dealing with flaky and dry lips in the morning. Just exfoliate your lips with a clean toothbrush and use a few drops of sweet almond oil or honey over them before you head to bed. These ingredients will leave your lips crack-free and moisturized. Friction between your hair and pillow can lead to breakage and frizzy hair in the morning, something that you'll have to spend some extra time on to smoothen out. Switch from your cotton pillow cover to a silk one and you'll be able to tame that mane more easily in the morning. If your nails have become brittle, massage your cuticles with a small amount of coconut oil to moisturize them and strengthen your nails. For longer and thicker lashes, apply castor oil along the lash line using a Q-tip. Leave it on overnight and wash off with lukewarm water the next morning. This won't give you instant results overnight, but you'll definitely see a difference in a few months. Dark circles can appear for a number of reasons, such as fatigue or excessive straining of the eyes. Just massage a small amount of almond oil or coffee mixed with almond oil around your eyes using your ring finger. Both almond and coffee are anti-inflammatory and help reduce the dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. To get glowing skin, use an overnight treatment mask once a week. Start by applying a facial serum and then move on to the mask. A serum penetrates deeper into your skin, giving it the ability to really help with hydration. Pick one that suits your specific skin concerns, such as dark spots, pigmentations, or dryness. Layer your overnight mask over this and you will wake up to happy, hydrated skin. So that was it for this episode of Skincare Secrets. Let me know what you felt about it in the comment section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out our POPxo shop. We have some amazing merchandise like this cushion cover, backpack, fanny pack, t-shirts, candles, doormats, clocks, and so much more. And for more skincare tips and makeup tutorials, keep watching POPxo Daily.